I'm Dani, this is Wade, and today we're going to share with you how much it costs to build our van.
And don't forget, we are in Australia, so everything that we talk about is going to be in AUD.
Today we're sharing everything. We'll be fully transparent, but before we do that, let us know in the comments how much you think we spent in total.
Let's kick things off with the most expensive part of anyone's van build is probably going to be their van. We did a lot of research in the beginning and decided that we wanted to go for a Sprinter. We ended up picking this one up. It's a 2017 Mercedes Sprinter long wheelbase with 120,000 on the clock, and it had a really good service history. We paid $38,000, which was a really good price at the time, because we saw maybe about a month later that the prices for a similar van were selling for like $45,000, $50,000. So we think we got a pretty good deal then. As soon as we bought the van, we did have to pay $1,006 for insurance and $1,179 to transfer it into our names. But also keep in mind, if you want to use our van as a reference, it will really depend on what type of van you get, what you want to put inside it. It could be more, it could be less than what we actually paid for our van.
Another thing is, we did the whole build ourselves, so we're not incorporating any labor costs into the total numbers we're about to share with you.
Which is massive. We spent every weekend and some weekdays for about 6 months building our van. So if you're going to get someone to do it for you, you're going to have to incorporate those costs into the whole total project cost.
When we bought the van, it was completely empty. It just had some cages on the side walls and another wall separating the cabin from the rest of the van. We removed those cages and their wall and sold on Facebook Marketplace for $150. But other than that, the van was completely empty. No insulation, no floors, nothing.
After the layout was decided, the first thing we did was install our 2 max air fans. They were $440 each, and then the glue and the timber to install them was $122. Next up, we've got 3 178 watt solar panels on the roof that cost us $538, and then the brackets, cables and some glue, it cost us $152.
Side window, $184.
Interior walls and roof, including installation, timber, paint and fixing, comes to $2,316.
Floorboards, free. We were lucky enough to get some leftovers from a friend that is a builder.
Swivel seat, $584, but it's just on the passenger side.
All of the curtains and blockouts in the van, $225.
Lagoon table mount, $345.
All of the cushions in the van, $550.
Bushman 110 litre fridge, $1,419.
Kitchen benchtop from Bunnings, $229 for 2 pieces, one for the kitchen and one for the outdoor table.
All of the cabinetry and hardware, which is the hinges and drawer slides, was $3,460. We were super lucky with this one. We have a friend that builds vans professionally, and he has a CNC machine, so he was able to run through all of the timber to give us nice clean cuts, which saved us so much time, and we didn't really have the correct tools to do the job.
Kitchen sink, $138. Kitchen tap, $95.
Induction cooktop, second hand for $40.
Beautiful stick-on tiles, $99.
And we have a 3-stage water filter, which is $415. Now we have the bathroom. We decided to build our own bathroom over the prefabricated ones, and it cost us $1,275. That includes all of the timber, the tray on the bottom, and all of the walls and fixings.
Self-cleaning shower door, $367. Nature's Head composting toilet, $1,635. Waterproof bathroom light, $28.
Shower head and shower mixer is $200. Now for the hot water system, we decided to go for the Duetto 10 litre tank, which was $540, and it also included the water pump. And all of our plumbing, we went for the John Guest system, which was $570 for the lot with all the connections and piping.
And we have an outdoor shower that costs $200. Let's go check out what's under the van.
So under the van here, we have our grey water tank, which is 150mm PVC piping. Super lucky with this one. We got it from the same guy that gave us the floorboards. All we needed to get were the connections on the ends, which was about $50. Over here, we have our freshwater tank, which was $398. We have a water level sensor inside to tell us how full it is, and that was $110. And then the straps in here were $41 to hold it into place.
Now all of the electrical that lives in the garage. Uh-oh, we might need to get back to this one. Let's try again. Much better.
The next biggest expense besides the van for us was the electrical system, and everything is here. We have 2 200 amp lithium batteries that came in at $2,658. A 300 watt inverter was $1,799. A DC to DC charger, $639. Cables, lights and fuses came in at $1,756.
Everything else, including tools, screws, glue, cleaning products, and every other odd thing, $2,077.
We have a custom cut mattress, which was $359. Okay, that's a wrap and a total of
$66,528.
money well spent. Now, this was the bulk of the money that we spent. After we completed the van build, we kind of stopped the tracking, and there's a few little tweaks here and there that we've done.
And if you want to see how much we spent on the first 6 months on the road, watch the video that is linked on the description. We really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you guys in the next video next week.
Bye.